I don't see myself wearing this in any setting. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today we are going to get into my thoughts on the new replica on a date. Yeah. If you're interested in hearing my thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but it's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, welcome back. I'm so glad you all clicked on this thumbnail. If you have seen on the thumbnail, you all know what we are talking about. We are talking about the new replica on a date. And yo, sis has some thoughts and some questions, okay, for MAISON MARGIELA. Okay, we got some questions and thoughts. So we're going to get right into it, okay? So replica, you all know, like, it's a hit or miss. I will be very honest with you all. It's a hit or miss for me with MAISON MARGIELA, okay? Sometimes it's a good, and sometimes it goes left itself. You know, I might go left, but it definitely goes left too. I love Replica by the Fireplace. That's one of the ones that I do love. Again, it's for a season. It's for a time. It's for this time. It's for winter time. I don't wear it really outside of that scope. I've been really interested in getting to know the brand more. So if you all have seen my past videos, I have reviewed the matcha, I think it's like matcha tea, or it's a matcha fragrance from MAISON MARGIELA as well. And that one was okay. It wasn't what I thought it was going to be. It was very calming. So on my chill days, okay, cool. But it wasn't all of that, okay? Coffee break, I do love coffee break, but I feel like coffee break is not like something that is a must-have in my collection at this point. Again, I think it's very beautiful, it's very pretty, but it's not something that I'm like, yeah, give that to me now. Jazz Club, I mean,
hate it.
I don't like it, sis. I know that there are many of you that love a good jazz club. It's very unisex, and you all are like, yes, what are you talking about? I don't like it like that. And I've tried several times to like jazz club, and I don't think it's just my jam. Like, I'm not getting with jazz club, okay? But all that to say, I really tread very light when it comes to MAISON MARGIELA's anything that they come out with. So I went to Sephora and I got a little travel size, right? If you all can see, I got the travel size because me getting a full bottle, nah. After my matcha experience, I was like, nope, I'm not doing that no more. I'm gonna give me the travel size. So, besides that, I smelled this in store, okay? So I got a first impression in the store. Immediately, it smelled like something that, two fragrances that I have in my collection. I'm gonna let you know what those are. But this is called On a Date. I got some questions. What kind of date is this? What kind of date are we on? Okay, so let's get into it, you all. let's get into it. You know your sis. Okay, so on the box, I didn't mention, but on the box it says grapes and roses. So I'm thinking, okay, this is going to be a pretty scent, okay? It's going to probably even lean more towards like a spring type of scent, I was thinking. Let me give you some of the top notes. Top notes, we have black currant syrup, pink pepper, and bergamot. Middle notes, rose, davana, geranium. Base notes, patchouli, moss, vetiver, and musk. Now, when I first sprayed this, that musk smell, it did not hit me well. I'm like,
you stink. What do you mean I stink? You stink. Why don't you go take a shower?
Maison Margiela, what date are we on? What date is this supposed to be? Because I don't want to smell musky. That musk smell just throws me off. But, and I'm going to put it on skin. I'm on skin. But, honestly, when I first smelled it and let it kind of sit, went around the store a little bit, being nosy, it gave me this, okay? It gave me C Intense, Giorgio Armani, and it gave me Prada Paradox. These two together is what it gave me. Honestly, I was like, is this C? Is this Prada? If they had a baby, I feel like this is what it gave me, but I don't know if it's the moss that is throwing me off to like earthy. What date is this supposed to be? Because
So now I think that we should order and then eat and then leave.
I have a lot of medical problems.
This ain't a date I want to be on. Like, at first, I was trying to make my mind think, this is a first date. This is a casual first date. Then I was like, nah, I'm not wearing this on no casual first date. Then my mind was like, okay, this is a blind date, okay?
Damn!
Where you like, I want to be cool. I don't know who this is. I want to be cute and cool. I don't want to be like over impressing. Like, I don't want to think they think I try too much, you know? So this is a blind date. I smelled it again. Nah, like what impression? What impression am I trying?
I'm kind of funny looking.
Nah, that's not what I want to give at all. So, versatility. Let's talk about it. Nah. Like, I don't see myself wearing this in any setting. I try to enjoy this, right? And again, I don't know if it's like that earthy thing is throwing me off. And I feel like, I don't know if it's the vetiver or moss, or you try to do sweet with earthy and it just did not go well. Nah. This ain't for your sis. And y'all know I love a good C Giorgio Armani Intense. Y'all, clearly. I love this scent. And maybe it's the black currant syrup, because this has black currant syrup. Maybe that is, or, you know, that grape type of thing it's trying to do. Maybe that is why my mind went to that scent. And then with Prada, it was like, Prada Paradise? Like, I was just trying to like, is that you? Like, one of them girls, that you? Versatility, not for me. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. It definitely ain't a date. Packaging, It's just as the other replica line. There was no difference in packaging. I mean, of course, I have the travel size, so you're not going to see the full bottle packaging. The price, $160. I mean, I got this for $30, I believe. $30 for the travel. But around $160 for this smell? Nah.
This is garbage. It's beautiful.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Does it lean feminine or male? I think either way. I think a male could get away with this, and I think this is unisex. I think really anyone, if you want to, you could get away with it.
You could drive a car with your feet if you want to. That don't make it a good idea.
Now, I will say, okay, because I like to think both, ends of the spectrum. Like, I like to think, of course, give me a positive, right? Sis, clearly you don't like this. Clearly this is not your jam, but give me a positive. I got you, okay? I think the positive of this is, say you don't want to be on the date. Say you're not interested in the person. Say you're not interested in the person. And you don't want to be on the date any longer than needed. You were thrown off by the conversations through text message because clearly no one can pick up the phone anymore and just have a full conversation with you to get to know you. No, we have to be knowing each other through text message and DMs. What's that about? Okay, keep on. You are already turned off, right? But you're like, I want a free meal. Because I remember not a free meal. I mean, honestly, I remember when I was on eHarmony and all these different dating sites, and I was cool. It might not have been, my jam, but a free meal, I wasn't turning it down, okay? So maybe you just want a free meal, okay? But you don't want a second date, right? You want this to be first and the end.
Hey, Rach, how's it going?
Oh my God, this is the worst date ever.
Oh, come on. Look, you know what? I'm sorry, but did you really think that this was going well?
Then I would highly recommend this. I would highly recommend my Replica's Margiela, MAISON Margiela's Replica on a date. Okay. Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna wash my arms. This, nah. But if you want the real from your sis, I would not be picking this up. This is a no-go. No-go for the date. We don't know. No, ma'am. But again, if you needed to shoo away someone, pick that up. Now, if he or she is into this and is like, ooh, you smell good. They either lying, trying too hard, or again, that's not a second date. Okay. Well, that's all, family. Y'all know me. That's all, family. That is all for this fragrance review. Sorry it wasn't long. I don't like it. Okay. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. I hope this has helped you to see if you want to get your nose on it. Sorry to make it so pleasant. And those that like this, again, around here, we're all grown. If you like it, we love it for you. Cool. All right. Catch you on the next episode of me. I love you, family. Make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo, sis just did. Bye, family. Love you. Bye.